What are sorting algorithms?
Sorting algorithms help organize data in a specific order, such as arranging numbers from smallest to largest. They are used in many applications, from searching for files to organizing information in databases. Understanding sorting algorithms is essential for efficient coding, as the right choice can save both time and computing resources.
How bubble sort works.
Bubble sort is a simple algorithm that repeatedly steps through a list, comparing each pair of adjacent items and swapping them if they are out of order. This process continues until the list is fully sorted. Although easy to understand and implement, bubble sort is not efficient for large datasets because it requires multiple passes through the entire list.
How insertion sort works.
This insertion sort builds the final sorted list one element at a time. It takes each item and inserts it into its proper place among the items already sorted. This method is similar to how people sort playing cards by hand. Insertion sort is straightforward and generally efficient for small or mostly sorted datasets.
Comparing efficiency in use cases.
Both bubble sort and insertion sort are simple, but insertion sort is often faster for most practical situations, especially when dealing with small or nearly sorted lists. Bubble sort is mainly used for education or very basic tasks. For larger or more complex data, faster algorithms like quicksort or merge-sort are preferred.
When to choose each algorithm.
Choose bubble sort for teaching or learning the basics of sorting. Use insertion sort when working with small data sets or lists that are mostly sorted. For handling big or unsorted data sets, consider exploring more advanced algorithms. Knowing the strengths and limitations of each helps you make better choices in your programming projects.